Season 2, Virtual Edition. Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mac. Today is October 18th, 2020. It's a beautiful fall Sunday. I'm out here at the baseball field at Miller School, and we're going to talk about the schedule this morning. So, hope you're ready. In geometry, we're finishing up 1.7 Islamic stars. You guys also had the notes to do for 3.1, 3.2. We're going to do the practice on Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on your class, and there'll be a quiz for that. We're going to do some more constructions with parallel and perpendicular lines. We've got 3.3 proving parallel lines later in the week, along with associated practice and quizzes. We'll do a bearing and navigation problem with that. And with computer programming, we're hitting Unit 3. You guys are supposed to do 3.1 mouse events and 3.2 conditionals. 3.3 will be a little bit later in the week, as well as the exercises and the creative task. All that. This is a short section for programming, and we'll do the quiz next week. So, yeah. What else can I say about it? So don't forget about office hours. Mornings, afternoons, come see me. You having trouble with a quiz? Come see me. Having trouble with a challenge? Come see me. I don't expect to do this on your own. So let's work together and catch our breath.